everybody, I'm Natalie with Missouri Star Quilt Company, and today on Embroidery 101 we're going to learn the chevron stitch. This stitch is really cute and it's a lot easier than it looks. So we're going to start with our needle threaded and a knot in the end. On our stitch sampler we've drawn little sets of dots that are in sets of 3. We're going to start in the very left on the bottom, and we are going to go all the way across to the 3rd dot and then come up in the middle. This creates our first stitch, and then the next step is to go into the middle dot and over to the left. Then you go all the way over to the right one and come back up in the middle. And then you're going to repeat that process going down to the right, coming up in the middle and making a little back stitch to the left, and going over to the right and coming back up in the middle. So you're always coming in the middle to make that that stitch that goes across. So there we go. We'll just continue doing this and I'll keep showing you. Over to the right and back up through the middle to create that top. Now this has to go down through that. You want to keep your thread underneath the stitch so that it comes out properly. And that's it. This stitch is just about done. We're going to end just the same way we started. And we're just going to go straight down here and leave that and put a little knot in the back. And that's it. So the chevron stitch is really super simple and it's super cute. I think you're going to love it. I hope you've enjoyed this video from the Missouri Star Quilt Company.